Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the 5 free shooting FPS game on Steam. So let's get started. The first one is Black Squad. Black Squad is a free-to-play military first-person shooter game in which players can master their skills and show off their strategies with a wide range of game maps, modes, and weapons to choose from. You can join thousands of FPS players worldwide in one of the most played games on this Steam. On second, we have Totally Accurate Battlegrounds. Totally Accurate Battlegrounds is a multiplayer battle royale video game developed by Swedish studio Landfall Games. So, Totally Accurate Battlegrounds is a battle royale like you have never seen it before. The start the match is skydiving face first into the building, and it will continue with the shooting. Now on third we have Shatterline. Shatterline is an intensive free-to-play FPS with roguelike co-op PvE and PvP modes. You can pick a unique operator, customize your looks and weapons and combat the alien plague. Now on fourth we have Angerfoot. Angerfoot is a lightning-fast action FPS game. It is an upcoming first-person shooter video game developed by Free Lives to be published by developer Digital. Now, on last, we have Operation Hearthstone Stop on Steam. It is an Unreal Engine powered shooter sandbox similar to mode friendly games like Ravenfield and Garry's Mode with Roots. It is one of the most popular shooting video game in Steam. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.